In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size A3 in Excel. If you need to print a worksheet on larger paper, changing the page size in Excel is quick and straightforward. Setting your document to A3 is especially useful when you're working with wide tables, reports, charts, or any content that needs more space on the page. To begin, open your Excel workbook, then go to the file where you want to change the page size. Once the workbook is open, select the specific worksheet you want to print. This is important because page layout settings can apply to the worksheet you're currently working on, so make sure you're on the correct sheet before making any changes. Next, go to the Page Layout tab at the top of the Excel window. This tab contains the main print formatting options, including margins, orientation, scaling, and paper size. In the Page Setup group, click on Size. This will open a drop-down list of available paper sizes that Excel supports. From that list, choose A3, which is 297 by 420 millimeters. As soon as you select it, Excel applies that paper size to the active worksheet. This doesn't print anything yet. It simply updates the page setup so your worksheet is formatted for A3 paper. After that, it's a good idea to verify that the setting has been applied correctly. To do that, click File, then select Print. This opens the print preview area where you can review your worksheet before printing. Under Settings, confirm that the paper size is listed as A3. Checking this step helps you avoid printing with the wrong paper format or having content scaled unexpectedly. If A3 doesn't appear correctly, or if the option seems unavailable, the selected printer may be the reason. Available paper sizes in Excel can depend on the printer currently chosen, so if needed, select a printer that supports A3 paper. Once you do that, the correct size should be available and shown in the print settings. At this point, your worksheet is set to A3 and ready for printing. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference when you want your spreadsheet to print more clearly and fit better on the page. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page size to A3 in Excel.